This adventure continues our four-wheel drive in northwest Namibia. Day 13 finds us breaking camp in the lovely and remote Marienfluss plains. Another child. And one more wanders naked out of the desert. We are crossing out of one valley, over a ridge, and into another valley. Some locals are also crossing over. Ben offers them and the dog some water from our rubber-tasting Swiss bladder. They all get a refill. Three bottles and 3 bowls of water later, we set off.
Exclusive use area. Well, I'm planning on using it exclusively.
This place is so exclusive that $500 a night guests are flown in on private charters, but that has never stopped Ben before.
How do you get down? Over this cliff?
Let's give it a try. Well, that wasn't very dramatic. It looks like the car's frame is hung up on the rocks. Stuck on a cliff and nowhere to go. Plan B is to dig out some sand, raise the rear end, place the sand grids, and then try to back off the rocks. Okay, time to get the big boy out, the hijack. The front has been raised. Now time for the back end. Now to give it a try. Success! Ben's car doesn't have the horsepower to go back up the slopes. We're effectively stuck in this little bowl. The only way out is over and down. It's now or never. He makes it over the first hurdle. Now down the sand slope without losing control of the back end to the following sand. He made it.
Man, that was a steep descent.
Bradwin, the manager, welcomes us and tells Ben that they haven't seen a car here in over 2 years. They then retire to the lounge to discuss accommodation options. What? No camping? Thanks for the iced tea and sending us helpers on the ridge, but we'll be on our way now. Once away from the resort, we started the long and indirect traverse back up onto the plateau.